In this video, we're going to learn how to use automation feature build sequence of slides from the AinTransitions extension, just like a pro. You'll find the build sequence of slide feature by clicking this automation icon, which will take you to the automation section. When you hover over any of these section icons, such as this, a tooltip bubble will appear to confirm that you are indeed in the right section. So, first, let's take a quick look at the general settings of the build sequence of slides interface. This has only two options, which we'll now take a quick look at. The first one is called slides order. This is designed to change the order of layers in your composition. The second one, it's called slides duration and is designed to change the duration of layers in your composition. So in other words, to change the in point and the out point of the layer. By default, both options have the selected value do not change. So when you click on the build slide sequence button, nothing will actually take place. Before we take a look at these settings in action, first, let's understand the reason why these features will be useful and why they are a valuable time saver. In the project panel, we have footages and compositions. Now, let's suppose we want to build our slideshow. So let's drag our chosen footage into the main composition. As you can see, all layers with photos have a duration along the entire length of the composition. Typically, if we're to do this in the manual mode, we would need to select all the layers, crop the duration of the photos, the videos and pre-compositions, and then arrange the sequence manually or with the help of the sequence of layers. Not only does this manual method require a lot of clicks, it has also severe limitations further downstream when it comes to fine-tuning. With our extension, however, everything happens in just a few simple clicks, making this process a breeze whilst remaining flexible to your creativity. Okay, let's see this in action. Case 1. Slides order has order by name as value. Slides duration has do not change value. Click the build slide sequence button. Yeah, that works. We see that all layers are sorted by the name of the layer in ascending order. Case 2. Slides order has order by name desk value. Slides duration has do not change value. Click the build slide sequence button. Now we see that all the layers are sorted by the name of the layer in descending order. Pretty cool stuff. Case 3. Slides order has randomize order value. Slides duration has do not change value. Click the build slide sequence button. We see that all the layers are sorted in random order. Now let's move on to the second field, the slides duration field. And again, let's select another option. Case number 4, slides duration with value trim slides duration. Slides order has do not change value. Here we see additional options. Don't worry, everything is transparent. Off status means that the original slide duration will be left unchanged. That is to say, with these options, you can control which types of layers to trim at any moment. Let's play around with it a little bit. So turn off layers with video compositions, leaving only the ability to change for images. Now click the build slide sequence button. We see that all the layers are lined up with the ladder, while the layers with images are cropped in duration, just as we chose in the settings. Now let's turn off image editing and turn on the settings for layers with video and compositions. Once again, we'll click the build slide sequence button. One click and everything was rebuilt, including the duration of the layers with video and composition. And of course, you can adjust the duration of the layers manually and then rearrange the sequence. For everything to work correctly, you need to turn off all type of layers in the settings and then click the button. Yeah, that works great. Please keep in mind that this functionality is intended at the beginning of creating your video, as long as it does not contain compositions with transitions or typography. Of course, our extension provides for skipping those compositions so that the duration does not change in them, but you will need to manually adjust the position of these layers. So I hope you found this video useful, and remember to watch the rest of the videos in this series so you can use this pack with confidence. So this video tutorial for this section is over. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for all the latest updates on new products and offers.